Alright, so if y'all, as y'all know of, over the weekend, my Cadillac converter was stolen off my truck, and I'm left to replace it. Not a big deal, not a big deal to me. I just don't have tools to do what I need to do right now. Cause I could buy a Cadillac converter, and replace it. That's nothing. I also could put it on. That's nothing. I just don't have a welder. That's if I want to go the welding route, which I do need to weld. I need to weld from the downpipe where they cut before the sensor. I need to weld a downpipe part on there. Then build so I can connect. I can connect the Cadillac converter with clamps or use a welder. But I'm going to weld right. I just don't have a welder as of right now. But I'm prepping for what I need to do when I get ready to do it. So as you can see, I got a 8-foot pipe. It's a conduit pipe. Still, I could still use as a exhaust pipe. So this 6 1/4 inch spot right here, I need it to be banded and cut. I need a slight bend there, probably 2 degrees or something. I don't know what it is, but when you bending and stuff is you go by degrees. So you need maybe like a 2 or 1 inch, 2 or 1 degree bend in this section right here. This could be my downpipe, which gonna get welded to the remaining what's left of the downpipe before the exhaust where it was cut off at. Then this space right here is marking, I believe, how much Cadillac converter space I need. So this part gonna be cut out. Well, basically, I just got it to be cut out. I just get the pole mark. Like this space right here is how much Cadillac converter space I'm gonna need. And then this pipe is to split Y at the muffler. I mean, split at the Y and straight to the muffler. From here, from here to here, from here to this end is how much I need for this one. I'm putting the muffler and Cadillac converter all together. This is what I need. Now, this how much piping I'm gonna need. Now, when I'm at this part right here, this is for a straight pipe to the muffler. I'm gonna be straight piping it to the muffler for now. So that's what this part is. And this part is exactly 41 inches and 3/4. The same as what all of this is right here. But I'm gonna use this part to straight pipe. So I do need to get the exhaust piping before the O2 sensor off. I do need to get that off so I can get this welded. And then after I get this welded, I don't have to take it off no more. Cause then I just can. Well, if I do weld, I'm just gonna weld the new Cadillac converter on. So I'm trying to keep from having to take it off. I don't have to drill a new hole for the O2 sensor hole and everything. I just need this end gonna weld close up to the O2 sensor. I'll still be able to take the O2 sensor off with a wrench or whatever and stuff. But this right here is exactly here's exactly 41. Is exactly 41 inches and a quarter. So my straight pipe, or what I need, my straight pipe to the muffler, and Y split, and Y split. is exactly 41 inches of what I would need to run a straight pipe. So yeah, that's my thing. I'm still measuring this out. Like I say, it's nothing. It's really nothing, to tell you the truth. I might be a little bit over measured, but I'm thinking if I add it right, it's right there. So yeah.